Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Voices of Victory, a platform where our students come forward to share their success stories. Today, we are delighted to be joined by Santosh, who has recently got placed at Scale Now. Without any further ado, let's get started and dive straight into the conversation. Hi Santosh, welcome to Networkers Home.
Hi, ma'am.
So, before starting the podcast, I want to congratulate on your new job.
Thank you.
So, let's begin with the introduction. Tell me about yourself.
I'm Santhosh Kumar. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I completed my B.Sc Physics in 2023. Then I was a part of NCC during colleges. So I was aimed to give defense exams. So I prepared for serious multiple defense exams. So I could not clear that exam before the age limit. So I want to change my career into the networking domain. So I choose this Networkers Home and I completed my CCNA. Currently I'm now pursuing CCNP.
That's nice. So, how did you got to know about Networkers Home?
Basically, my brother was in the domain,
Okay.
but in different company. So he suggested to take Networkers Home. Then I also gone through the internet. So having good reviews. So I prefer to choose Networkers Home.
Okay, that's nice. Then, coming from different platform, different educational background, have you ever felt like networking is difficult?
Initially, it was difficult. Before entering into this, I was thinking about more whether it will be difficult or we don't know. We are coming from civil service background, so it is like specific subject we are going to deeper. So I was thinking so many times. Then after entering into this, then I think it is very easy.
Compared to that.
Yeah. I don't know about CCIE, but until CCNP, I'm thinking that it is okay for me.
Okay, that's a good thing what you mentioned. So you just came here. Can you just give an insight about your experience? How was your trainers and management?
First of all, I need to thank the Networkers Home who provided me a good trainer. The trainer was Sumit sir. So I need to learn more things with him. He had more patience that give me a more confidence that whatever the questions I'm asking, he will be very calm and he will explain everything very deeper. So I initially told to him that I was from different background. He considered it and he was giving classes and examples like who are from non-IT background. They can understand very well. Before completing CCNP, I have cleared the interview and I was placed in the company.
So that's a good thing what you mentioned. So you mentioned somewhere like from non-IT background people here they teach like in a very good way.
Yeah.
So just give me some more insight about that. Coming from non-IT background and getting into IT background. So it takes a lot of guts actually.
Yeah.
So just explain about that.
First of all, we need to accept that I couldn't clear that civil service exam or defense exam. Getting out of that, it takes so much of time. Then after 1 or 2 months, then I decided to choose networking. Until coming here, I was thinking that whether we need to choose this or we need to choose different domain. And after entering into the Networkers Home, they take care of me and they are providing well good education which will be in real-time environment. It is very useful to the companies in present days.
That's a good thing. After taking networking, have you ever felt that no man, I could have tried much better in civil?
No, see, some regret will be there. I could not clear the defense exams. So we need to accept it and we need to move from there.
That's a good point what you mentioned. We have to accept things and we have to move on for our better future. So while shifting, you'll be having a lot of ups and downs. You have to buckle up with other students. You have to, perform well comparatively. So there will be a lot of ups and downs. How did you face those challenges? How did you overcome with that?
See, the challenges, the main thing was I'm from non-IT background. So I need to compete with so many of people who came from IT background.
Yeah.
So they have good exposure about this. But
exactly. The thing is that since from day one, they are
Yeah.
studying in tech field.
I need to tell one thing that After joining the networkers home, after 20 days only I bought a laptop. Okay. And after that only I started to learn everything from scratch.
Okay.
So Sumit sir helped me a lot.
That's a good thing. He was like a pillar for you.
Yeah, he's a main pillar for me to crack this interview.
That's a good thing. So before getting into interview, we provide mock interview. So how was your mock interview? How was your experience? Just tell me about that.
Before getting into this company, I have given only one mock, which I was completed CCNA. It was not completed CCNA, still I didn't complete it fully. So I have tried to give a mock to get exposure how the questions will be asked, and I'm thinking that in next mock I should clear. For that I need to get some inputs because I don't know how the questions will be there. So I tried to give mock, but Arun sir took me that. He also very interested to take that. Oh, you are from different domains, so you have career gap also. So then starting he started to ask what are the things you have done. Then after that he slowly stepped into the concepts and real-time environments, lab questions, everything he started to ask. So it gives some inputs to me. Through that I have developed my knowledge and I have used this to crack my interview. That's helped me a lot.
That's a good thing. And I really have to tell you something, that you came from non-IT background and you took only one course and now you just cracked the interview, mock interview, and you got into a job. That's a very good thing actually. Lot many students, not able to do that. But you just did that thing, and it proves that from non-IT background also you can come and you can study, you can perform well. That's a very good motivation for other students actually. So you got into a job, just take us through that.
I got placed in a company called Scale Computing, which is a US based company. My role is NOC engineer.
Okay, that's nice. How was your interview process?
This was my first corporate interview I was given. So little bit I was nervous. Totally 5 rounds. First round was assessment and I have cleared that and I have gone for the first technical round. In that they told that you are from different domain, so you will be in waiting list. So like, let's see whether we are going to take you or not, like that. They have keep in hold. So I told to them that, sir, I have completed CCNA, I have good knowledge. Then they accepted that and they allowed me for second round. And then in the second round he asked that you are good in knowledge, so little bit you improve your communication, like that. I got feedback from the technical too.
Okay.
So at the day evening itself I got the director round. Directly the director round has been called for me and I have given the director round also. So finally I got selected.
That's a good thing what you mentioned. But I want to ask you something. You mentioned that this is your first corporate interview. Before that you have given other interviews.
Yeah.
What is the difference between like these proper corporate and civil? Like how it works?
Corporate is different. Services
exactly.
is different. In corporate they will see the technical knowledge and communication. But in defense they are going to check your psychological test, everything. There are so many
your
tests.
physique.
Physique they are going to check. They are going to check the communication. They are going to check how you are handling the pressure.
Exactly.
There are a lot of things to check in defense.
But you mentioned that communication, which is like important in both the fields. So how important is communication?
You are good in technical, but how you will prove it to the interviewer that I am good in technical? The medium is communication.
Exactly.
So we need to train communication.
Communication should be stronger.
Yeah,
that's a good thing. So Santosh, apart from all this, you came across AI, right?
Yeah.
So how was your AI experience?
I was using AI only for the exam preparations before that. That is the only thing I have using it.
Okay.
So 24
Did it help you?
Yeah. 24/7 I can't rely on trainers. I'm using AI to get the feedback. I just give a mock interview in AI itself.
Exactly.
Before going to that.
We cannot, copy paste exact thing what is in AI.
See, in classrooms, they are giving good exposure. They are giving more answers. So in interview you can't explain everything. So you need some crisp answers. So I use the AI to get that answers.
That's a good thing what you mentioned, that if you filter the AI answers, then you'll be prepared for everything. That's a good thing. So you came across a lot of things. So looking back, how was your experience till date, from day one to till date?
From day one, if you ask, this is my first victory in my life. Before I didn't see any victory in my life, so it's very
emotionally happiness.
It's very emotional to me also.
Okay.
I got placed.
That's a nice thing what you mentioned. We are at the end of our podcast. Would you like to share any motivational thing for our upcoming students or the people who are watching this podcast, and any last keynote for Team Networkers Home?
See, don't rely on anything. See, trust the process and believe in yourself. Be consistent and work hard, and to work smart also. So definitely you will also succeed. Whether you are from different background or same background, nothing matters. Trust yourself.
That was really great. And is there anything you want to tell for Team Networkers Home?
Finally, I need to thank overall Networkers Home, then including HR team, lab team, and my trainers, and for Amit sir also who put me admission for Networkers
Yeah.
Home. So and for you also, thank you for me.
Thank you, Santosh. You just, the complete podcast was really good talking to you. You just motivated everyone. Thank you for coming, and all the best.
Thank you.